Imagine a quiet dawn, the first light slipping through the curtains as you sit with your heart open and a simple, powerful prayer on your lips. This moment, fleeting yet infinite, holds the potential to transform not only your day, but the very trajectory of your life. Because within the timeless words of a God-centered prayer lies a roadmap to inner peace, purposeful action, and unwavering hope. And in the next several minutes, I will walk you through every nuance of this sacred utterance, revealing how each phrase resonates with ancient wisdom, modern neuroscience, and practical steps you can take right now to align your thoughts, emotions, and deeds with the divine purpose that beckons you. Beginning with the opening acknowledgement, Almighty Creator, source of all that is good and true, which instantly shifts your focus from the chaotic noise of the outside world to the boundless stillness of the infinite, reminding you that you are not merely a random occurrence, but a cherished part of a grand design. And notice how the mere act of naming the Creator engages the part of your brain responsible for meaning-making, releasing dopamine that fuels motivation and a sense of belonging. So as you inhale deeply and let that reverent address settle, you are already priming yourself for clarity and resilience. The next line, I thank you for the blessings that have graced my life, seen and unseen, invites a practice of gratitude that research shows can increase happiness levels by up to 25%, expand your perspective, and strengthen immune function. And when you truly feel the weight of each thank you, whether it is the warm cup of coffee, the supportive friend, the quiet breath of fresh air, or the hidden opportunities that only hindsight reveals, you begin to rewire neural pathways towards positivity, creating a feedback loop that attracts more of what you appreciate. So pause now. Close your eyes and list 3 specific gifts you have received today, feeling each gratitude ripple through your chest like a gentle wave. Moving forward, the prayer continues, grant me the wisdom to discern your will in every decision I make, a plea that is not passive but active, urging you to develop discernment, a skill cultivated through reflection, prayerful listening, and the study of sacred texts. So as you seek divine guidance, you also engage critical thinking, meditation, and the habit of pausing before reacting, which research links to better emotional regulation and lower stress hormones. And in practical terms, this means setting aside a few minutes each morning to ask, what is the most aligned step for me right now? Then patiently observing the subtle nudges, whether a sudden idea, a feeling of peace about a certain path, or an unexpected conversation, that often serve as the quiet voice of intuition. Next, the prayer asks, strengthen my heart to love unconditionally, even when faced with difficulty. A powerful declaration that teaches you the art of compassionate resilience. Because loving without condition does not mean ignoring boundaries, but rather expanding your capacity to see others as reflections of the divine spark. And psychologists note that practicing compassionate love reduces anxiety, builds stronger social bonds, and even improves heart health. So as you internalize this line, imagine a challenging person in your life. Visualize a warm light emanating from your heart towards them, and feel the tension melt away, understanding that each act of unconditional love is a step toward aligning yourself with the very nature of the Creator, who is love itself. The following segment, Heal the Wounds Within Me and Guide Me to Heal Those Around Me, bridges personal transformation with communal service, reminding you that true healing is both inward and outward. And when you acknowledge your own hurts, perhaps past betrayals, lingering regrets, or self-doubt, you give them permission to surface and be addressed through prayer, therapeutic practices, or supportive relationships. While simultaneously extending empathy to others, you create a ripple effect where one healed soul becomes a beacon for many, illustrating the biblical principle that a joyful heart is good medicine. And as you commit to this dual healing mission, remember that the brain's neuroplasticity allows you to rewire pain into purpose, especially when you pair sincere prayer with concrete actions like volunteering, listening without judgment, or offering a kind word. Then the prayer concludes with a bold affirmation. May your divine light shine through me, illuminating a path of truth, justice, and peace for all humanity. A statement that elevates your personal journey to a universal mission, urging you to become a living conduit of divine energy. And this final vision calls you to embody integrity in every interaction, stand up for what is right, even when it is uncomfortable, and cultivate inner peace that radiates outward. because studies on altruistic behavior reveal that individuals who act in alignment with higher values experience deeper fulfillment and a stronger sense of purpose. So as you utter these words, picture yourself as a lighthouse on a stormy shore, its beam cutting through darkness, guiding ships to safety. And let that image fuel your determination to act with courage, compassion, and conviction each day. Now that we have unpacked each element of this profound prayer, acknowledgement, gratitude, seeking wisdom, unconditional love, mutual healing, and the mission to be a beacon of divine light, you possess not just a set of words, but a comprehensive framework for personal growth and societal impact. And to bring this into your daily routine, start by writing the prayer on a sticky note and placing it where you will see it each morning, perhaps on your bathroom mirror or beside your computer, allowing the cadence to become a rhythmic anchor that reminds you of your higher calling. Then integrate a 5-minute breathing exercise before you speak each line, visualizing the corresponding energy flowing through you. And finally, set concrete, measurable goals that reflect each intention, like keeping a gratitude journal with 3 entries daily, dedicating 1 hour a week to learning something that expands your discernment, reaching out to someone you find difficult with a genuine act of kindness, seeking professional help or a support group to address personal wounds, and identifying a cause you feel passionate about and committing a regular volunteer slot. Because transformation is not magic, it is the cumulative result of intentional steps taken with faith and perseverance. And as you embark on this journey, remember that setbacks are inevitable, but they are not failures. They are simply opportunities for deeper reliance on the divine source you have invoked. So whenever doubt creeps in, return to the prayer. Let its words wash over you like a refreshing tide, and trust that each sincere utterance plants a seed in the fertile soil of the universe, ready to blossom into the life you are meant to live. In closing, I invite you to pause, close your eyes, inhale slowly, and recite the entire prayer aloud, feeling each syllable resonate within your being. And then, with your heart aligned and your spirit ignited, go forth into your day, confident that you are supported by an infinite love, equipped with divine wisdom, and empowered to be a transformative force in the world. Because the true power of this prayer lies not merely in the spoken words, but in the lived reality that emerges when you embody its essence. And as you practice it consistently, you will witness profound shifts, greater peace, clearer purpose, stronger relationships, and an unshakable belief that you are a vital thread in the grand tapestry of creation. And that, dear friend, is the miracle you are invited to experience right now, today, and every day moving forward.